I guess we're ready to rock and roll. As soon as Marge gets here, we're going to head out and put wood in a wood stove. One of the problems with a wood stove is when you hit weather like this, you still got to put wood in the wood stove. And our wood stove's on another farm around the street. And we got to make sure we have some wood in there because there's nobody living in the house right now. And we got to keep her warm. So it's off we go as soon as she gets here.
Okay, put your seatbelt on.
Nobody coming in. Jammed up a little bit.
Joe's not been in and out?
Nope, nobody's in and out, or else it's just snowed over. Well, we made it.
Garage door's open.
And the wood stove's in there. We're going to put wood in that wood stove. And this is the wood stove that heats the entire property, and we're going to just open it up and put some wood in it. Empty from last night. We have some real dry wood here. That's real dry. That'll burn right away. And this is ash. And we're cutting all our ash trees down because of the possibility of emerald ash borer. And you just see there's some borers in this. Yep, there's borers. long this thing will be cooking. Okay, that's it. One thing we do is come in the kitchen, make sure that the faucets all work, run a little water, and a look out the window here is a pretty nice little view of our nursery out in the back. We sell trees and shrubs, and we deliver and plant throughout the East Coast. You can call us at 215-651-8329 for your trees and shrubs. This is Bill and Marge at Highland Hill Farm, and this is one of our older farmhouses. One of our subcontractors is going to be moving in here, and we've owned this property for about 15 years, and the tenant that was in here just moved out, and so we're going to be cleaning it up. Actually has 2 wood stoves. The house was built around 1820, and it's in Plumstead Township on Ferry Road. And this part here was a newer addition, where we have our wood stove, and we heat with wood. But there's also an oil burner backup.